Safety Talk 87. Climbing fixed ladders. We all agree, without a doubt, that chimney workers are always on the edge of danger. Those rungs running along a tall chimney seem very risky. And they are, for someone who shouldn't be climbing them. But chimney workers rarely fall. They are trained to climb carefully and move confidently once at the top. They take no chances. They test and check everything that might pose a risk. That's why most falls from high ladders happen to people who have no practice or experience climbing, and do so carelessly. First of all, no one should climb a high ladder if they are afraid of heights. Climbing while nervous makes you lose confidence. Many workers don't admit they fear heights because they grew up thinking fear is something to be ashamed of. That's a mistake. Fear is a perfectly natural response to danger. It gives you the energy to face emergencies. If someone is incapable of feeling fear, that's not normal. Brave people feel fear just like anyone else. They simply know how to control it. So, what does all this have to do with climbing ladders? A lot. If you're afraid of heights, have the courage to say so. And don't climb. But if you must do it, pay close attention. And remember, a fall from a high ladder can easily be fatal. Inspect the ladder carefully before climbing. Do you see anything wrong? Are there bent or missing rungs? Is there grease or rust on the steps or side rails? Is there enough space so your toes won't hit the structure when your heel rests on a rung? If a pipe or object narrows the space at any point, don't forget that when you get there. Lack of clearance has caused many deaths. Be extra cautious with wooden ladders. Rungs can rot or loosen. Never assume, always inspect. Watch out for exposed electrical wires near metal ladders. Unless they are inside a protective conduit, they are dangerous. Metal ladders are often grounded. Even slightly damaged insulation can allow electricity to arc through the air. If your body touches or gets close enough, the current might go through you, causing a fall or fatal shock. In freezing temperatures, check for ice. It's best not to climb an icy ladder. But if you must, use a safety harness. Keep it clipped at all times. And break the ice as you climb. Once inspected, gently shake the ladder to make sure it's secure. And check every anchor point for looseness. When climbing, place your foot so your heel is against the rung and close to the side rail, unless the ladder is too wide for that to be comfortable. Hold onto the side rails, not the rungs. If a rung breaks, holding the side rails can save you. Always make sure you're firmly supported with one hand and one foot before moving to the next rung, going up or down. When you reach the top, be sure your foot is firmly planted before stepping off the ladder onto a roof or platform. This is the most dangerous moment. When descending, place your foot securely on the lower rung before moving your hand. And never rush on a ladder.